Good afternoon. My project name is Teaching Aid under the Junior Group. Science Exhibition 2021 and 22. My topic name is Types of Angle. My project under the working model. Working model is there. This is my wheels from 0 degree to 360 degree. This is a circle. This will be rotate. So this is my working model. I will explain types of angle like zero angle, straight angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, and whatever. Okay. Now see, this is my wheels. This is my straight line. I will show you this measurement of this line is a 0 degree line. If I show this point at 0 degree, means that initial arm and terminal arm should be lie on the same point. This type of angle we call it as 0 degree angle. And one more thing, a measurement of angle will take rotation of in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means जो हमारा clock है वो उसका जो direction है from top to bottom जाता है, इसको हम reverse order में लेते हैं. Measurement of angle we have to do in reverse order. So next is if I rotate this from any measurement of angle like 40 degree. This is this point represent 40 degree angle, meaning that this type of the angle is called acute angle. So we can say that an angle having measurement greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, this type of angle we call it as acute angle. Now next rotation, if it will be rotate up to 90 degree, means angle having a measurement 90 degree, this type of angle we call it as right angle triangle. Like this way, this is my initial arm, this is my terminal arm, measurement of this angle is 90 degree, so this type of angle we call it as right angle. Now next is, again I will start rotating from 0 degree to any degree, I will take 150 degree. Okay, so 150 degree, this angle having a measurement 150 degree means that this type of angle is a obtuse angle. So we can say that angle having measurement greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, this type of angle we call it as obtuse angle. Now next rotation, if I will rotate from, this is my 0 degree, this is a 180 degree, my rotation is from 0 degree to 180 degree and this will be form a straight line. Straight line. So this type of angle we call it as a straight angle. Now next is, if I this circle I will rotate up to the measurement 223 degree. This is a 223 degree and measurement of this angle from this point to this is 223 degree and this type of angle we call it as reflex angle. Okay. Now next is this wheel. If I rotate complete rotation means I will form one complete circle this way. Means I have starting rotating from 0 degree and complete my rotation come back to the initial point. Means initial point and terminal point should be meet at a point. And this type of angle we call it as complete angle. This is also we call it as full rotation. So definitely the full rotation of the initial and terminal arms. Means initial will be stop at a point and terminals will complete one rotation. This type of angle we call it as complete angle. Okay, so this is my simple project, that is the types of angle. Now you can see the different types of angle I have made. In this is a blue strip represent initial arm and red strip represent terminal arms. If I start rotating from this point to this is my right angle. If I start rotating from this point to this point, this will be stop here and the measurement of this angle is less than 90 degree. So we can say that acute angle, same way obtuse angle, straight angle and reflex angle. Now one more thing, this is a confusion regarding zero angle and complete angle. You can see that, you can say that both are looking same but meaning are different. In 0 degree, initial arm and terminal arm should be lie at the same point. There is a no rotation, no formation of any type of angle, only formation of one angle, that is a 0 degree. Initial or terminal arm should be stop at a point. But in the complete rotation, initial arm is this and terminal arms will be rotate and come back to the initial point. Means जहाँ से start होता है वहाँ से वापस आके वो यहाँ पे stop हो जाता है. So measurement of this angle is 360 degree. So this type of angle we call it as complete angle. Thank you.